2019-20 Prizm basketball, one box break. This is NBA DBB number 708. Good luck, guys. Everybody gets 3 random teams. Snake Ice's reroll. Here we go. 6 times on the random. Yo. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last and final time. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 6. We got the Suns on top. The Pelicans at the bottom. We're spot number 10 in this. Oh, Mason. Zum Abschluss nochmal ein bisschen Glück. Hast ja nicht schon genug Glück gehabt die Woche. Alright, here are your teams. Pelicans is Mason, Lakers is Frank, Grizzlies ist Michael, Cavs, also nicht so toll. Wer war noch? Nix ist Pipo. Wizards sind eigentlich noch ganz gut, hat auch Mason. Alright guys, good luck. One box of Prizm basketball. Last box I have, so good luck. Let's hope we get something nasty out of this. Hi, Burn. Alright, here we go. Last box of Prizm basketball. Let's see. Come on, give us something nice. We need a silver Zion. Here we go. We have rookie of Kobe White. That's just the base. Silver is Avery Bradley for the Lakers. Silver Prizm. We got Anthony Davis for the for the Lakers. Hyper. Damian Lillard insert. We have Jay Morant for the Grizzlies base rookie. And blue Langston Galloway for the Pistons. Number 299. No, 199. Sorry. We got Marcus Smart, red wave, not numbered. We got Fearless, Julius Irving. We have a rookie of Samanich and silver Kobe White for the Chicago Bulls. Nice one there. Silver Prizm with the Bulls. People. There you go. Vielleicht brauchst du sogar noch fürs Set, wer weiß. Centering ist nicht, ja, geht noch. Doppelt. Nice. Alright, Auto, Daniel Gafford for the Bulls. People killing it with the Bulls. Oh, toll. Alright, we have RJ Barrett, Fireworks rookie. We have Schofield rookie, we have Gafford rookie, and Paul Pierce hyper. We got Joel Embiid silver Prizm for the Sixers insert. We got Jared Culver and Carson Edwards. We got Shaq silver for the Lakers. Jimmy Butler red wave. We got Giannis white screen. We have rookie of Tybo and Zion Williamson, just a regular one. Still nice. Pelicans is Mason. Robin Lopez is just a base. We got Wendell Carter Jr. red, number 299. Moutier for the Jazz hyper. Giannis insert. We have Bitatse, rookie. Silver is Alonzo Trier. Here's the last autograph, I guess, so let's keep that one for later. Next up, rookie Jalen Hans and Wilson Chandler for the Brooklyn Nets. Purple cracked ice, number 149. And Aaron Gordon for the Magic, red wave. Rui Hashimura insert rookie. We got Okpala and silver. Justin James silver Prizm for the Kings. Hyper is a Bitatse for the Pacers. Rookie. Fearless is Kyrie for the Nets. We have Nazir Little and Nick Claxton. We got Jay Crowder for the Grizzlies to 299. D'Angelo Russell Red Wave, not numbered. Magic Johnson for the Lakers. We got RJ Barrett rookie for the Knicks. We got Brandon Clark rookie for the Grizzlies. Silver is Kevin Huerta for the Hawks. We got LaMarcus Aldridge Hyper, Lauri Markkanen for the Bulls inside. We got orange coming, I think. Noel and the orange. Let's keep that one. It's a nice one. Dion Waiters for the Heat, Red Wave. We got Jared Culver rookie for the Wolves. All right, we got an orange and the autograph. Let's see the orange first. I hope it's a rookie. Come on, give us a rookie. What's that? It's upside down. It's upside down. Rookie or not? No, it is Denzel Valentine. Justin James rookie. Denzel Valentine for the Bulls. Number 249. And last autograph behind Alonzo Trier. Silver. Alright, last autograph. Good luck. Who's it gonna be? RJ Barrett covering it. Miles Turner. RJ Barrett is luck of the lottery. I thought it was a 249, but it's not. Regular one. Miles Turner autograph for the Pacers. Not numbered. Indiana Pacers is Frank. Miles Turner. And that does it for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.